Everyone, welcome to Ways Out Back. So we're out in northern Ontario a little bit, doing some camping, taking our cargo trailer out for a try. It's nice to try it in the winter when it's a little bit cooler, see if the heater works, the insulation, things like that. So why don't I just show you around camp a little bit. This is my 2002 Ranger. Done some modifications to it and everything, and I've branched that off into a different channel. So if you're interested in the Ranger, I'll link that channel above. So here's the cargo trailer. It's working out pretty good. There's a few things we're gonna have to improve or change, but not too bad. Nice view there. You can hear the diesel heater clicking away. Got ourselves our campfire going here. Just gonna make some dinner soon. Just gonna do a chicken stir fry, chicken and vegetable. Nice view out there. That goes in first. So just sitting here enjoying a nice coffee this morning. Warm fire. All you can hear is the wind and the trees. I think we're going to get set up now and have a little bit of breakfast. So I'm going to set up my tripod over the fire and then get my cast iron pot hanging there. And I think we're just going to do some wieners and beans and then warm up some buns on the fire there. It's beautiful though. Really peaceful. Check out this tree. It grew right over top of the rock there. Look at the big roots here. So we are moving on from the last place. It was a beautiful spot. We really liked it, but we want to explore, check out a few other lakes, try and scope out a few places that we can camp for the winter and the summer. Anyways, we headed down the road a little ways here, and there's another road here, and the GPS shows the lake off to the side, so we're going to check it out. Okay, let me take you on a little tour of the new campsite here. So we checked out that lake. It looked pretty good. The road wasn't too bad in. And this is the spot we found. Pretty nice spot right on the rocks. Getting dark, so it's hard to see, but I'll get some drone footage hopefully in the morning. Well, welcome back to the next day. The weather's changed overnight. Probably about midnight or so, this north wind started blowing and the temperatures just plummeted. All the rain's frozen. It's about -16 right now, Celsius. It's really cold, and we've got kind of quite a long drive out of here and over a lot of water that was frozen, half frozen. So I've got an appointment tomorrow at 4, so we're heading out now. We're gonna head out and start making a slow crawl out of this camp spot. But we'll come back here for sure. Nice spot, and it really peaceful. We haven't seen anybody the whole time. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.